Yo, welcome back to another trade recap. This is day 15 of the journey 100k to 200k paper trading challenge. As you guys can see, this is the trade that I took. It was a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Honestly, should have entered around here and should have placed my stop loss right there, just enough, just beneath that 15 fair value gap, but did hesitated a bit. Why? Because look at the previous market structure before I took the trade. Pure consolidation, pure barcode. Anyways, here's how much I'm up today: $412.50. In total, I'm up $3,115 on the account. As you guys can see, the winning streak keeps going. I'm on a 6-day winning streak. Haven't lost haven't lost a single trade last week, but I did break even, which I kinda I don't know. I don't know if I should count it as losing because I broke even, or count it as a win because I didn't lose money. Which I don't think I'm gonna count it. Why? Because if I lose a trade, I obviously had to lose money, which I didn't. I broke even. So yeah, I don't think so. Um, Other than that, bro, I am seeing a fascinating trade to take right now, but obviously I won't trade it. That is insane. If we actually inverse this fair value gap, I would honestly want to go short. Yeah, I honestly want to go short right here. No, never mind. I already would have been. Well, yeah, not really. Yeah, honestly, should I honestly would wait for this to get inverse and for the 5 minute to actually inverse this fair value gap. And if we actually do, if I don't take this trade, I don't know. It's super simple. But on the 15 minute, yeah, we're consolidating. So I mean, yeah, there could be a possibility that y'all can short around here, but I already took my trade, so no more trades for me. Anyways, let's go over the trade that I took today. Market open and we just straight went down. No retracement, no nothing. We just went down instantly. Obviously wanted to take the leg down. Why? Because both of the charts we didn't both of the charts we didn't inverse this 15-minute fair value gap, which honestly gave us enough reason to go short. That was my high time frame manipulation. Now I needed a retracement back up, which we didn't get. So while I was waiting for the retracement, market had already overextended a lot. What else? Let's see, wrong one thing. Yeah, like a 90%, almost made a 1%, which yeah, it's overextended. So now I knew I wanted to take a retracement back up to this fair value gap or back to equilibrium, which honestly it match with the fair value gap, which I I honestly just knew where to set my TP, which was under right here under the equilibrium and under the 15-minute fair value gap. So honestly, was just waiting. Honestly, was just waiting. Was very patient. Feel me? We inverse the 12 a.m. candlestick, which is right here. 12, but that doesn't matter. We didn't inverse the Sunday 29 11 p.m. candlestick, which is this one on NQ, and on ES we didn't even touch that. So that made my bias bullish. As you guys can see, we also created a SMT divergence to go up, which that was combined with the not inverse fair value gap on the 30-minute plus SMT on the 15-minute. That was my high time frame manipulation, and also a fair value gap on the 4 hour, which obviously we are bullish. So yeah, let's go down to the 5-minute. Waited for us to hit equilibrium, which we did. On NQ, we did the same. Hit equilibrium, but I took the trade on ES. Why? Because it was obviously the leading index to go up. So equilibrium, we filled equilibrium on the 5-minute. Now I honestly was just waiting for us to close beneath previous 1-minute high and also inverse this fair value gap. But honestly, I was honestly just waiting for equilibrium to get hit on the 1 minute again for a better risk to reward, and also because I didn't saw this candlestick. I didn't saw it, so I was like, I'm still in time. Honestly, I just need to wait for equilibrium to get filled. Hesitated a bit, honestly, because we just kept switching bias because of this for me. Anyways, I just entered, honestly, enter around here, stop loss. I honestly wanted to put it like around here, but went more quote unquote safe, quote unquote. This was my original stop loss because I would have entered around here, but stop loss beneath those 1 minute lows, which is yeah 1 minute lows, and obviously target beneath the 15 fair value gap and beneath the equilibrium zone, because those are honestly retracement zones where market can possibly retrace, which we did. As you guys can see, we went into this fair value gap, we went into equilibrium, retraced, probably stopped out a bunch of y'all if y'all had your TP a bit more further. But yeah, aim for a 1-to-1 and banged out. I mean, yeah, it's pretty simple. Honestly, we just gotta be patient with the market. But yeah, other than that, yeah, there was news at 10:30. Fetcher Power speaks. Not sure if he's still speaking or not. Who knows? That's crazy. Anyways, yeah. I mean, red folder this whole week. I'm excited. A lot of volatility, hopefully, and also please trade safe. Be patient, which is the key to being a profitable trader, like me. But yeah, other than that, yeah, that's gonna be it. That's gonna be wraps for today. It went honestly went a bit further than expected than I expected to market to go. I was honestly just I honestly thought we would have honestly hit equilibrium and hit a little bit of a fair value gap and then go straight and back down. But it looks like market is consolidating again. Um, but yeah, other than that, yeah, the trade to go bearish has been denied. We didn't inverse the 5 minute fair value gap that I was talking about. Anyways, yeah, 101 risk to reward ratio, and yeah, that's about it. On April 1st, on April 1st, I am going to buy a funded account, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to buy a funded account. And yeah, we're gonna make a series of another challenge journey of me getting a payout. You feel me? Well, also doing the 100K to 200K paper trading challenge. So we'll see. We'll see. Honestly, we'll see. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 16. See ya.